According to 2016 census data, 7.5 million people born abroad reported coming to Canada through the immigration process, a proportion of more than 1 in 5 people. This is close to the proportion of 22.3% observed in the 1921 census, a record high since Canadian Confederation. The 1871 census enumerated approximately 600,000 foreign-born individuals, 16.1% of the total population, the majority of whom were from the United Kingdom and Ireland, followed distantly by the United States, Germany, and France. At the beginning of the 20th century, Canada's borders expanded and the country encouraged an influx of immigrants to settle in the prairies, British Columbia, and the territories. As a result, the foreign-born population rose significantly, especially up to the beginning of World War I, to nearly 2 million people in 1921. At that time, immigrants were mostly from the British Isles, but the proportion of immigrants from other European countries, mainly Eastern Europe, rose, which altered the ethnocultural profile of various regions. Immigration slowed between 1931 and 1945 due to the economic crisis of the 1930s and World War II. Renewed economic activity and immigration marked the post-war period. Between 1945 and 1980, Canada welcomed many immigrants from Germany, the Netherlands, Italy, and Greece, who settled primarily in Ontario, British Columbia, and Quebec. Starting in the 1960s, various international events, as well as changes to immigration policy, including the introduction of the points system, led to Canada opening its doors to more immigrants from other countries. In 2016, immigrants had more than 200 places of birth. The majority of people who arrived between 2011 and 2016, 61.8%, were born in Asia, including the Middle East. The leading countries of birth of recent immigrants were the Philippines, India, and China. On account of the shift in the source countries of immigration, the composition of the population of each province and territory has become more diverse and has made Canada what it is today. To learn more about the 2016 census results for your community, visit www.statcan.gc.ca/census.